Hi everyone, my name is Kristen and I'm a librarian here at Manchester Community College Library, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can find and use permalinks to keep track of your research and to help you pick up where you left off if you step away from your research. Alright, so starting on the MCC Library homepage, I'm going to go to the MCC Library OneSearch. It's this blue box that lives here in the middle of the page. And let's say I was looking for information on pollution and plastic. So we can pull up some search results on that. All right. So the important thing to do here is that if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and click on that and make sure you sign in. That'll give you access to the full text of articles in our databases. Okay, so looking at our search results, I can go ahead and take a browse through things, and if I see something that looks of interest, I can click on it. All right, so let's say this is an article that looks interesting for my research, and I'd like to sort of bookmark it and come back to it later. You can do that by finding the permalink. Sometimes in some of our databases it's also called the page link, and what it is it's a persistent link that's going to take you back to that URL. All right, so within MCC OneSearch you want to click on the share button, and here there's a couple of different things you can do. To get a URL that you can email to yourself or put in your notes, click on create link, and you can click copy to clipboard and then put that into your notes, email it to yourself. You can also click on the email button here, and if you put in your email address, what it will do is actually send you a PDF of the article that you chose, and it'll send that right to your email, so that's useful. You can also find a permalink that will take you back to your search results, which is good if I've spent a little bit of time narrowing down my search results, maybe specifying that I want a certain type of resource, or narrowing it by dates. So how you find the permalink to search results is going to vary depending on the database that you're in. In MCC Library OneSearch, you can go up to the address bar and simply copy and then paste the URL into your notes or email it to yourself, and that will allow you to come back to this later on. I need to stress though that this is the only database. MCC Library OneSearch is the only place where you can copy and paste the URL that's up at the top here to get back to your search results. Any other database, it will not work. All right, so that was a look at finding permalinks in MCC Library OneSearch. ProQuest is another one of our major library databases that you can also find permalinks in, and in other databases they'll be located in similar places. So I'm on ProQuest right now, so I can type in a similar search to what I did on OneSearch, and when the results come up, go ahead and click on a title, and then to find the permalink to get back to this item, I'm going to go to the buttons in the upper right hand corner where it says all options. Click on that, and then up at the top it'll give you a link that it'll copy for you automatically that you can get back to when you want to come back to your research. You can also find a permalink that will take you back to your search results in ProQuest. For this, on your search results page, you want to go to the upper right hand corner where it says Save Search/Alert. Click on that, and at the bottom click on Get Search Link, and that'll give you a link that you can use to put in your notes or email to yourself to come back to that later on.